right, welcome back. Here we go. And look what's on the trailer. Mike is still in the bed. Tell him what you got to do.
Well, first off, I got to make it home without it flying off the trailer.
I'll follow you. That way, if it lands on my truck, I can catch it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the house. I'm going to start on the wood. I'll give you some video on that. It shows how we're doing the wood in the bed. Get it all in there. I'm going to kind of put it in there a little loose for right now, just to get it started. So when we set it back down on here, we can get it square, and then we'll finish it up after we get the paint, the rear end and frame and everything all painted up, finished up. Be good.
Meanwhile, I'm going to be putting some paint on this and finishing it. Get a little bit more cleaning. Looks good. I think a professional did this.
Not hardly.
Really?
Not hardly. Not professional. But pretty darn close.
Yeah. All right, Mikey, clean it up. Nice. Got them all nice and shiny and smooth.
Yeah, get these all sanded up and ready for stain for tomorrow.
Looking good.
Yeah, looking good.
All right, we're back, and he's gonna explain to everybody.
So we moved the bed to a different location here so I can work on it a little bit while Howard's working on the chassis. We're doing the bed wood right now, cutting all the boards. We're just using plain old pine wood. And what we do is I'll sand them all down, getting them fitted right now. We'll sand them all down real good. I'll stain them with a green colored wood stain, and then I'm going to take the old torch and blow torch and burn it and give it that weathered look. Sand it again, put some clear on it, and those ought to look pretty good. And we got our fender in there. We did a 2-inch wider fender, and it's just kind of sitting in there right now. It's not straight, but that'll kind of show where how the fenders are going to be. And
I still think it's nice how that lined up with that one rib.
yeah,
it's really good.
With that rail. So
it's really nice.
Turn out good. We'll paint all these bed rails and the inner fenders. We'll paint them the same color green as the bed, and we'll weather them a little bit and patina them up a little bit, and should turn out good.
Right on.
Right on.
All right. See you next time.